Hey guys, we're here with another great recipe from Grillax.com. We're grilling up some chicken thighs topped with that oh so tasty white barbecue sauce, or what some call Bammer sauce. We're going to start by liberally seasoning up that yardbird with Fire Disc's Freakin' A Foul Rub. It's a great base for chicken and perfect for those of you that like crispy, tasty skin. Using indirect heat, like here with the Grillax Charcoal Halo, place your thighs around the grate. We're adding some pecan discs to our coals to give the chicken a nice smoky flavor. Set your vents to halfway on the bottom and wide open up top and let that smoke do its work. After about 20 minutes, place your chicken skin side down over the hot coals to sear. You may see flare-ups, so have a cold beer handy to douse those little flames. That sear is what makes the skin sing and get extra crispy. The basics of this sauce are mayonnaise, horseradish, garlic paste, white vinegar, salt and pepper. You can add any other spice you like, but that's the basics. Add 1/2 cup of mayo, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of horseradish, 1/4 cup white vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, whisk until smooth. Once your chicken thighs reach 195 to 200 degrees, you're ready to sauce. Slather the Bammer sauce on top of each thigh liberally and cover for another 2 minutes. And that's white barbecue yardbird with Grillax. Happy grilling!